ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद पेज नंबर 228। आत्मेत्योपासित विचार इज गोइंग ऑन। टीका सेकंड लाइन। न तावद यथा कथंचिन निरोधो विधेयः सर्वस्यापि तत्संभवात् विधि वैयर्थ्यान् नापि सर्वात्मना तन्निरोधो विधेयो ज्ञानाद् एव तत्सिद्धेर विधि अनर्थक्यादित्यर्थः। यथा कथंचित निरोधो न विधेयः। चित्त निरोध was considered as fourth vikalpa. On that it is said yatha kathanchit nirodha is not videya. Yatha kathanchit means some kind of nirodha you do kadachit sometime, that vidhanam is not there. Sarvasyapi tat sambhavat. Sarvasya means chitta nirodha from everything. सर्वस्य निरोधस्य संभवात् विधि वैयर्थ्यात् नापि सर्वात्मना तन्निरोधो विधेय. But that vidhi will be vyartha. Why? Because mind will go here and there anyway. So sarvatmana nirodha, that vidhi is vyartha. Not only that, jnanat eva tat siddhehe vidhi anarthakya adityartha. Jnanat tat siddhi will happen. And therefore vidhi is not needed. नान्यः पंथा विद्यते अयनाय ज्ञानात् एव तु कैवल्यम इत्यादि शास्त्रम अनुसरन् उपेत्य वादम त्यजति। ज्ञानात् एव तु कैवल्यम इत्यादि शास्त्रम अनुसरन् उपेत्य, उपेत्यवादम मीन्स अभ्युपेत्यवादम, दैट इज कॉल्ड उपेत्यवाद. उपेत्यवाद और अभ्युपेत्य मीन्स व्हाट? The लक्षण is given. वादी बल परीक्षणार्थः पर सिद्धांतः स्वीकारः. वादी बल परीक्षणार्थः पर सिद्धांतः स्वीकारः. To check the balam of Vadi means Purva Paksha. To do pariksha of that, Vadi bala parikshanartha para siddhantah. So I will accept anyasya siddhanta. That okay, let us say you are right. In this way, this is called abhyupetya. So here upetyavadam tyajati. Upetyavada is chitta vritti nirodha. Principle you should understand. In mukhya siddhanta we don't accept chitta vritti nirodha, but in the bhashya it was given आत्म विज्ञान तत्स्मृति संतान व्यतिरेकेण चित्तवृत्ति निरोधस्य साधनम न अस्ति. Means chitta vritti was accepted as a sadhana in first line in Bhashya, right? For what purpose? Atma Vijnana Smriti Santati. So, in order to do Sajatiya Vritti Pravaha, you have to do Chitta Vritti from Vijatiya Vastu. So, to that extent, you have accepted it as a sadhana. This was Abhyupeya, means I had accepted Parasiddhanta. Okay, let us do Chitta Vritti Nirodha for this purpose. Now he says, Abhyupag, Abhyupagamya idam uktam. न तो ब्रह्म विज्ञान व्यतिरेकेण अन्यन मोक्ष साधनम अवगम्यते. So, other than Brahma Vijnana, there is no other moksha sadhanam. But you accepted earlier this Nirodha for Atma Vijnana Tatsmriti Santati. It was taking your Siddhanta, Para Siddhanta Svikara. That's why, see what is given in Tika. Shastram Anusaran. Which Shastram? Nanya Pantha. Jnanat eva tu kaivalyam. If it is said jnanat eva kaivalyam, then smriti santati or nirodha is not needed because jnanam will take care of it. So ityadi shastram anusaran, following that shastra, upetya vadam tyajati. What he had accepted earlier, now he is giving up. समझ में है? upetya vadam tyajati. Abhyupagamya iti. In Bhashya, Abhyupagamya idam uktam. Abhyupagam means Parasiddhanta Abhyupagamya idam uktam. Accepting Yoga Darshana, okay, some people love this. I have to sit, close my eyes and do something because when eyes are open, how can I know Brahma? Okay, then you close eyes. And when they close their eyes and sit for some time, we all are very happy because they are the people who will create problems. So when they are sitting, so it is good. Those people who are troublemakers, you tell them this sadhana. Go and sit, close your eyes. For 8 hours, you don't open your eyes and don't get up from there. If you want anything, we will give you there. Like in some rooms, some Mahatma says, I am in Dhyanam and oh no, we are very, I will provide food there. You don't come out, then it is Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Abhyupagamya idam uttam. But what is the reality? Natu Brahma Vijnana Vyatirekena Anyan Moksha Sadhanam Avagamyate. Other than Brahma Vijnana, there is no Moksha Sadhana. If somebody will think, they will know Chitta Vritti Nirodha and Brahma Jnana. There is no Sambandha. What is the Sambandha? You prove. Chitta Vritti Nirodha by itself will not produce Brahma Jnana. Brahma, any Jnanam called Prama will come only when there is Pramata, Pramana, Prameya. Chitta Vritti Nirodha can be used for preparing Pramata. To that extent, we will accept it. But that way, Karma Yoga is also accepted for Pramata preparation. Yajna, Dana, Tapa, Bhakti, whatever you say, all of them are only for preparing Pramata. Not for Prama. Brahma Prama is not dependent upon Chitta Vritti Nirodha. There is no Sambandha only. So, not understanding properly, they connect things. Tika, Nirodhasya Mukti Hetutvam Idama Paramrishtam. Nirodhasya Mukti Hetutvam. Nirodhasya Chitta Vritti Nirodhasya. Chitta Vritta Nirodha is Mukti Hetu. Nirodhasya Mukti Hetutvam Idama Paramrishtam. What is idama?
तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचन.
Tritiya ekvachana. And how idama shabda has come? What is the sutra? Which sutra is applied so that we are not changing the. This I gave in Naishkarmya Siddhi class.
स्वम रूपम शब्दस्य शब्द संज्ञा.
Swam rupam shabdasya ashabdasya. Here's the answer. Oh, okay, you gave the answer. Those who didn't catch it, swam rupam shabdasya ashabda sanya 1168. Yad siddha vidama siddhi yada siddhau na kinchana. In that shloka it came. So Chaturtha Vikalpa is also refuted. So now all the four Vikalpas, if you had accepted Apurva Vidhi, then those were there. None of them are there. See further in Tika. Yoga Shastram api Shruti Smruti Virodhena Pramanam. Any Shastra, if it has Shruti Smruti Virodha, then it is not Pramanam. So Yoga Shastra, if it is against Upanishadic understanding, then it is not Pramanam. If it is not contradicting Shruti Smruti, then it is Pramanam. एतेन योगः प्रत्युक्तः इति न्यायात् इति भावः. एतेन योगः प्रत्युक्तः. दिस ब्रह्म सूत्र 13 number टिप्पणी. The name is given, number is given 213. एतेन योगः प्रत्युक्तः. एतेन means see 12 number टिप्पणी. कापिल मत निरासेन पातांजल मतम निरस्तम वेदितव्यम. भगवान वेद व्यास जी says in ब्रह्म सूत्र, by refuting Sankhya Mata, we have refuted Patanjala Mata also. Kapila Mata Nirasena Patanjala Matam Nirastam Veditavya. Further, Vedanteshu Vidheya Abhavoktya Vidhir Nirastaha. Vidhir Nirastaha or Vidhir Nirasta? Nirastaha only, it is Pullinga. Wherever there is Dhi at the end, they are all Pullinga Shabda. Like Vidhi, Upadhi, Samadhi, all of them are Pullinga Shabdas. Vedanteshu Videya Abhav. In Vedanta, there is no Videya Vastu, therefore Vidhi, it is not. Samprati Amshatrayavati Bhavana Teshu Asti Ityuktam Dushayati. Samprati means Idanim. Now, Amshatrayavati Bhavana Teshu Asti. What are the Amshatrayavati Bhavana? See in Bhashya it is given. Akanksha Bhavacha Bhavana Bhavaha. There is no Akanksha. And therefore there is no Bhavana. Bhavanayaha Abhavaha. Bhavana Abhavaha. Not Bhavana Bhavaha. Akanksha Abhavat cha Bhavana Abhavaha. It's better if you put Khandakara. Because both are Abhava actually. Later if you read and if you don't catch it, Yaduktam Yajeta Ityadav. In Yajeta, when you said Kim केन कथम इति भावना आकांक्षायाम फल साधन इति कर्तव्यता अभिः आकांक्षा अपनयनम यथा तद्वत् इहापि आत्मविज्ञान विधौ उपपद्यत इति तद असत्. What Purva Pakshi said, we can do here bhavana is there, apurva vidhi will apply. How? Yajeta sarga kamaha. In that, kim bhavayet, kena bhavayet, katham bhavayet. Three types of bhavana akanksha will be there. Bhavana akankszayam phala sadhana iti kartavyatabihi. How many things are mentioned there? Phala is for kim bhavayet. Sadhana is kena bhavayet. And iti kartavyata katham bhavayet. So by these three, phala sadhana iti kartavyata abhihi akanksha apanayanam syat. Purva Pakshi had said this. Just like there, tadvad ihapi, in atma vijnana vidhi, apurva vidhi you can do, and this will be there. Tadasat. Siddhanti said that is not right. Tika. Tadeva sputaitum uktam anuvadati. So, uktam anuvadati. Whatever Purva Pakshi had said, Siddhanti is repeating. Because when the discussion is going long, sometimes we don't remember, what was said. So Acharya is so compassionate. He actually quotes the entire Purva Pakshi Vakya again and says, this is not correct, like that. If he had said, Tanna, then we would not know what is that Tat. Agama Vashtambhena Nirachaste. Its Nirasa is done on the strength of Agama, Shastra. Ekam eva dvitiyam tattvamasi neti neti anantaram abahyam ayamatma brahma इत्यादि वाक्यार्थ विज्ञान समकालम एव सर्वाकांक्षा विनिवृत्ते which vibhakti is that? Online, which vibhakti is that?
पंचमी विभक्ति.
पंचमी.
हेतु
हेत्वर्थ है पंचमी. चतुर्थी विभक्ति, how chaturthi will get visarga? Any chaturthi vibhakti rupa visarga is there. Ekameva dvitiyam. All the uddharanas are given. Ekameva dvitiyam. Tattvamasi. Neti neti. Anantaram abahyam. Ayamatma Brahma. All of these uddharanas, why they are given? In all of them, akanksha will not remain. When you say this Atma means this you, Atma is Brahma. Or nothing other than Atma is, neti neti, etc. What akanksha? See, yajeta swarga kama, akanksha will be there. What should I seek? So swarga. How? You say you have to do yaga. How to do yaga? All these questions will be there. Ayam Atma Brahma, what akanksha? Vakyartha Vijnana Samakalam eva. When Vijnanam takes place. If Pada Jnanam is not there, Vakya Jnanam will not happen. That we accept. And that's why the entire emphasis is on Pada Jnanam, Vakya Jnanam. Tika. Vidhimantarena वाक्यार्थ ज्ञाने प्रवृत्ति अयोगात् वैधम एव ज्ञानम सर्वाकांक्षा निवर्तकम इति आशंक्य आह. विधिम अंतरेण वाक्यार्थ ज्ञाने प्रवृत्ति अयोगात्. Earlier also somebody had said that those people who are bahirmukha, unless you give them vidhi, they are not going to think of Atma. So vidhim antarena means without vidhi, वाक्यार्थ ज्ञाने प्रवृत्ति itself will not happen. प्रवृत्ति अयोगात्. वैधम एव ज्ञानम. वैधम means विधिकृतम. There where vidhanam is there. वैधम एव ज्ञानम. सर्वाकांक्षा निवर्तकम इति आशंक्याः. न च वाक्यार्थ विज्ञाने विधि प्रयुक्तः प्रवर्तते. विधि प्रयुक्तः वाक्यार्थ ज्ञाने न प्रवर्तते. टिप्पणी just says अधिकारी. What is meant is the person who has any vidhanam, vijnanam will not have vidhi, because whether there is vidhi or no vidhi, vijnanam will take place. If that prameya is upalabdha, pramata is upalabdha, pramana is there, vijnanam will happen. Like if some noise starts outside, let us say, I don't have a choice whether I should hear it or not. I will just hear it. My option is to close the doors, windows, etc. So, vidhi is not needed. Vidhi prayuktaha vakyartha vijnane na pravartate. So, person who has vidhi, he will not engage in vakyartha vijnana. And for vakyartha vijnana, vidhi is not required. Vidhi antar prayuktau cha anavastha dosham avochama. Vidhi antar. So if a person does not have vidhi, vidyantar prayuktaha, vidyantar prayuktau cha anavastha dosham. If one vidhi is there, to understand that you need another vidhi, like swadhyayo adhyatavya. To read that, if you need another vidhi, for that you need another vidhi, then we had already said for vidyantaram anavastha dosham is required. टीका. यथा कर्मकांडे स्वाध्याय विधेः अर्थ अवबोध पर्यंतत्वेन ज्योतिष्टोमादि विधि अर्थ ज्ञाने विध्यंतरम न अपेक्षते, तथा ज्ञान कांडे अपि स्यात् इत्यर्थः. यथा कर्मकांडे, जस्ट एज इन कर्मकांड, स्वाध्याय विधेः अर्थ अवबोध पर्यंतत्वेन, स्वाध्याय विधि is up to you get अर्थ ज्ञान. ज्योतिष्टोमादि विधि अर्थ ज्ञाने विद्यंतरम न अपेक्षते. So in that swadhyaya vidhi, jyotistomadi jnanam is there. Vidyantaram is not required. Same is true for jnana kanda also. When it is there said swadhyaya adhyatavya, you have already studied the whole Veda. You understand the pada of Tattvamasi, then Vakya, jnanam has already taken place. तत्रापि वेदः कृत्स्नो अधिगन्तव्य इति विधियंतर प्रयुक्तमेव वाक्यार्थ ज्ञानम इति आशंक्याः. So somebody will ask this question. Vedah kritsno adhigantavya. You should know the entire Veda. In this way, vidhi antar prayuktameva vakyartha jnanam. Another vidhi is there for vakyartha jnanam. Then it is said if you take that as another vidhi, then there will be anavastha dosha. Shruta hani ashruta kalpana prasangacha na vidhi sheshatvam vedantana ityaha. And Vedanta does not have vidhi sheshatvam. Vedantanam na vidhi sheshatvam. Shruta hani ashruta kalpana prasangacha. What is Shruta hani and Ashruta kalpana? 8 number tippani, some small note is given. श्रुतस्य अविधिशेषत्व रूप स्वातंत्र्यस्य हानिः. What is Shruta? What that Vedanta is not Vidishesha. Its Hani will happen if you accept Vedanta having Vidisheshatva. And what is not said, you are doing Kalpana of that. This is called Ashruta Kalpana. Ashruta of Vidhi. So Ashruta Videhe Kalpana. What is not said, this practice we have to have in Vyavahara also. What is said, that much you should understand. What is not said, you start doing Kalpana. When you study Vedas also, you will do the same thing. Don't say, no, at the time of Veda, I will not do Shrutahani or Shruta Kalpana. You will end up doing it because your mind has the tendency to do Shrutahani or Shruta Kalpana. So that's why the shloka in Upadesha Sahasri, somebody chanted earlier, Yathokta Karine, Yatha Uttam Tatha Kartum Shilam Yasya, is Yathokta Karine. You tell, do this much, he will do that much. And what is not said, you don't do. So this is, when this mind is trained, then you will not have Shruta Hani or Shruta Kalpana. Shruta Hani or Shruta Kalpana Prasangat. If you accept, when this will happen?
When Vidhi is taken.
When Vidhi is accepted in Vedanta Vakya. If we say Vedanta Vakyas need Vidhi, then this problem will come. Okay, now in Bhashya, Nacha ekam dvitiyam Brahma ityadi vakyeshu vidhi avagamyate. In ekam dvitiyam Brahma, there is no vidhi. You just understand, jnanam is there, it is over. Vidhi na avagamyate. Atmaswarupa anvakyanena eva avasitatvat. Its culmination happens only when Atmaswarupa Anvakhyanam is done. Atmaswarupa Anvakhyanena eva avasita. Avasita means it concludes itself. Vedanta Vakya, see, one Vakya cannot have multiple objectives. This is one of the things that will be discussed. Vedanta, is Vedanta giving me knowledge of Jiva Brahma Aikya, or is Vedanta giving me injunction? This question Siddhanti will raise. Because you cannot say one Vakya is doing Jnanam also, its Tatparya is in Jnanam and its Tatparya is also in Vidhi. Both things cannot happen. Only one thing can happen. Purvapakshi will come back, he will say, this is Mukhya, that is Gaun. Somehow he will try to put Vidhi. For example, if I say, today is Thursday. So this is Jnanam. If somebody says, today is Thursday, therefore I should do some Guru Upasana. So that is not what is said. If you want to understand that as implied thing, it depends upon the context. Or Adhikari. Tika. Vedanta Anumanam. Vedantaha Swarte Namanam. Siddhartha Vakyatvat. Sorodit Ityadi Vakyavat. Iti Anumanat. Tesham Vidisheshatvam Pramanyartham Eshtavyam Iti Shankate. Who is doing the anumanam? Purvapakshi. What he is saying, Vedanta is not Swarthe Pramanam. Vedanta Swarthe na manam. Why? Siddhartha Vakyatvat. Hetu is given there. Because it is Siddha Artha Vakya. Siddha Bodhaka Artha Vakya. It is not Karya Bodhaka Artha Vakya. It is Siddha Bodhaka. This analysis we did in the beginning of Upodghata, Brahadaranyaka Upanishad, when we started. First few lectures time this discussion came. Purvapakshi thinks Vedas have only one type of Vakyas. They enjoin you in Karya. They are all Karya Bodhaka Paraka. Siddhanti is saying no, there are two types of Vakyas. Karya Bodhaka and Siddhartha Bodhaka. What is already there? Siddha Artha Bodhaka. Not Siddha Bodhaka Artha, Siddhartha Bodhaka. In this, what is the Vyapti?
यत्र यत्र वाक्यत्वं तत्र तत्र स्वार्थे न प्रमाणम्.
यत्र यत्र सिद्धार्थ वाक्यत्वम तत्र तत्र स्वार्थे अप्रमाणत्वम. न मानम means you make it अप्रमाणत्वम one. So if it is Siddhartha Vakya, Purvapakshi say it is not Pramanam. Swarthe na Pramanam. Like Swarodit. Swarodit Vakya is explained in Bhashya. Vastus in Bhashya first line. Vastu Swarupa Anvakhyan Matratvat Apramanyam iti chet. Purvapakshi says if this Taptamasi, Ayamatma, Brahma, Neti, Neti, they are doing Vastu Swarupa Anvakhyanam. Anvakhyanam Matratvat. They are apramana. They don't have Pramanyam. Iti chet. Tadeva Anumanam Prapanchayati. That Anumanam is explained. This So Arodit, see it is explained. Athapi Syat Yatha So Arodit Yad Arodit Tad Rudrasya Rudratvam Iti Eva Madau Vastu Swarupa Anvakhyana Matratvat Apramanyam Eva Apramanyam Evam Atmartha Vakyanam Api Iti Chet. So Arodit is Yad Arodit Tad Rudrasya Rudratvam. So the one who cried Rudra, actually it is Agni. But because of Rodanam is called Rudrasya Rudratvam. So those tears, they were silver tears. And that's why Barhishi Rajatam Nadeyam. This is the Artha of this Arthavada, all that big story that is given. Vastu Swarupa Anvakhyana Matratvat. This is also Vastu Swarupa Anvakhyanam only. There is no instruction. Apramanyam eva. Evam Atmartha Vakyanam api. This Tattvamasi, Ayamatma, Brahma. Apramanika Vakya, Purvapakshi says. Tika. Videhe Ashrutatve api iti yavat. Athapi means Videhe Ashrutatve api. Even if, Purvapakshi says, even if it is Ashruta, you understand like Swarodit is, there is no Pramanyam, Swata Pramanyam in Swarodit. Like that, Tattvamasi, Ayamatma, Brahma, Swata Pramanyam is not there. You understand it is some other objective in this. Purvapakshi is Anumanam is there, Siddhanti see what Upadhi is there. Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Janakatvam Upadhihi iti Manvanaha Samadhate. Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Janakatvam Upadhihi. What is the lakshana of upadhi? New students. Online new students. Old students.
साध्य व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापकत्वम्
साध्य व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापकत्वम्. So now, what is the sadhya?
स्वार्थे न मानम्
Swarthe apramanatvam. How will be the vyapti?
यत्र यत्र स्वार्थे अप्रमाणत्वं तत्र तत्र फलवन्निश्चित ज्ञान अजनकत्वम्.
This is one part. Everybody, those who want to study some advanced texts, this upadhi part has to become clear. Don't neglect it. Otherwise, every now and then, whenever this upadhi topic comes, your intellect will become blank. That forget this upadhi part. I will wait for the next vakya. Don't do that. Yatra yatra swarthe apramanatvam tatra tatra alavan nishchita jnana ajanakatvam. This is one part. Where will you see this vyapti?
In drishtanta.
In Soarodi, there in Drishtanta, you have to see this vyapti. And the second part of Soarodi, it does not have Swarthe Pramanatvam, and it is also not Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Janakam. It is Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Ajanakam. This Soarodi has no Jnanam of its own, right? It doesn't produce any result. So it is Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Ajanakatvam and Swarthe Apramanam. So yatra yatra Swarthe Apramanatvam tatra Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Ajanakatvam. In Soarodi, this is there. Now you come to the second part. What is the second part of the Upadhi?
Sadhana vyapakatvam.
Sadhana vyapakatvam. Sadhanasya avyapakatvam. What is sadhana? आप बताओ. What is sadhana? So this pay attention. Siddhartha Vakyatvam is sadhana. Sadhana means hetu. Siddhartha Vakyatvam. Yatra yatra Siddhartha Vakyatvam tatra tatra
फलवन् निश्चित ज्ञान अजनकत्व अभावः.
Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Ajanakatva Abhava. So, and this is there in Vedanta. Ayamatma Brahma is Siddhartha Vakya. In that, Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Ajanakatva Abhava means Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Janakatvam is there. Moksha is the phalam. This Jnana phalam is moksha. So in Vedanta it is there. Therefore, Upadhi is Siddha. Iti manvanaha samadhate siddhanti. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.